Alright, well, I can't believe I'm saying this, but it only took 6 episodes. I mean, not really episodes. I did a lot. I did a lot of work in between the last one and this one that I'm recording now. But, like, it's done. Well, just remember, this is not, like, meant to be a Minecraft clone. This is a voxel engine. Like, would have made meets all the requirements of a voxel engine, but I still find it pretty impressive. So, let's check it out. And this is I don't remember the world size. It's in the settings. Um, but it's a pretty big world. And as we'll see in just a moment, this thing will decide to load. Just remember, it takes longer to load with OBS open. So, okay, there we go. Now, if you look at our FPS, we're averaging about 30. That's normally what I average in Minecraft, 30 to 60, in between that. So, like, this has no, obviously, since this is coded in Python, a coding language notorious for being incredibly slow, um, it's it's not gonna be fast. Like, you're not gonna have all the features. You can literally like just fly around. Um, but there's trees. These were modeled off of Sakura. I don't know. It was a Japanese tree, I think. But that's why the leaves are pink. It's pink just mostly to add contrast. Um, but I'm gonna be straight up. The rest of these other textures are stolen from Minecraft. Interestingly enough, this is the gravel texture in Minecraft, but this is actually stone. Like, I'll show the code in a second. That's stone. Oh, also, oh crap, there's one thing I forgot to add that I can implement real quick. Open up the player thing, go down to our keybinds. If key save pg key. I guess we'll just do the first. Let me check. First 7, yeah. So if one, so it was self dot app dot scene dot world dot voxel handler dot new voxel ID. I think that's what it is if I find the voxel handler. Yeah, new voxel ID. It'll equal sound. In this Python file imports the settings file, so all of these settings are imported into here. So these are just basically variables. So sand equals 1, and if we go look at the texture array, so this 0 is equal to air. So 0 is air, or nothing, is technically it is. And then layer 1 is sand, layer 2 is grass, layer 3 is dirt, 4 stone, 5 snow, 6 leaves, and 7 wood. So basically, what we can do is we go over here, basically, or actually, I'll do it like this to make it easier on myself for boom, boom, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then boom. Python has this nice feature where you can have multiple cursors, and that way I can just go here and change all these numbers, and it corresponds directly with what voxel ID is. So basically, the way this works is whenever the chunk is drawn, if the voxel ID is set, depending on if it's one, then it goes to the first layer in the texture array and then takes that texture and sets it. If it's 2, second layer, 3, third layer, this is layer 0. So that's why this is 1, 2, 3. So this is layer 0. So if we just run this, then I believe using the number keys 1 to 7, we can set the block that we're building with, which, you know, that's pretty cool. Gotta wait for this thing to load. Takes forever when I have OBS open. Okay. So now, 1 sand, 2 grass, yeah. 3 dirt, 4 stone, 5 snow, 6 leaves, and then of course you got tree wood. I forget the word for wood. Yeah. So that's cool, and then like you can just add more blocks by adding layers to the texture array. So you just add layers to the texture array, and then you can like add more blocks like that. So yeah, that's a voxel engine. This is the last episode that I'm doing the voxel engine. You know, unless I get any more ideas with it. Peace.